Have you ever had a conversation with someone online and wondered, am I really talking to a human? It's a question more and more of us are asking as artificial intelligence rapidly evolves. AI bots are becoming so lifelike, it's getting harder to tell them apart from us. Think about the last time you asked Siri a question or got a customer service response that felt eerily human. These interactions are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is already deeply embedded in our digital lives, from recommending songs to filtering our news feeds. But what happens when these bots become so sophisticated that they can mimic human emotions, hold complex conversations, and even form relationships? This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's the reality we're stepping into, and it's both exhilarating and unsettling. As AI blurs the line between human and machine, we're forced to confront profound questions about identity, trust, and what it means to be human in a world increasingly populated by intelligent machines. The future is here, and it's filled with AI. Are we ready? Loneliness is a growing epidemic in our hyper-connected, yet increasingly isolating world. Enter the AI Companion, a digital friend available 24/7 to offer conversation and support. Millions turn to AI companions like Replica for personalized responses and a sense of connection. These AI companions learn and evolve, adapting to our personalities and needs. They can tell jokes, write poems, and engage in debates. ChatGPT generates human-quality text, writing stories and answering questions. This technology is rapidly advancing, becoming more sophisticated and lifelike. The line between human and machine is increasingly blurred. What was once a futuristic fantasy is now a tangible reality. As AI bots become more sophisticated, so do the risks they pose. Imagine receiving a heartfelt plea for help from a close friend, only to discover later that it was an AI bot impersonating them, designed to steal your money or personal information. Deepfakes, AI-generated videos that can seamlessly replace one person's face with another's, are becoming increasingly convincing. These technologies can be used to spread misinformation, manipulate public opinion, and even extort individuals. Imagine the damage that can be done when it becomes impossible to distinguish between a real video of a world leader and a fabricated one. Businesses are also vulnerable to AI-powered attacks. In a business email compromise scam, hackers use AI to impersonate CEOs or other high-ranking executives, sending convincing emails that trick employees into transferring funds or revealing sensitive information. These scams can cost companies millions of dollars and erode trust among employees and partners. The rise of hyper-realistic AI bots presents a chilling reality. We are entering an era where seeing is no longer believing. In a world where technology can effortlessly deceive, how do we know who to trust? As AI bots become increasingly adept at mimicking human behavior, verifying our own humanity online is becoming critical. How can we be sure that the person we're interacting with is actually a person and not a sophisticated AI designed to deceive us? The concept of proof of human is emerging as a vital safeguard in the age of AI. Just as we prove our identity offline with driver's licenses and passports, we need reliable ways to verify our humanity in the digital realm. This need is driven by the growing threat of AI-powered scams, fraud, and misinformation. Imagine a world where you need to prove you're human before you can access certain websites, make online purchases, or even engage in social media. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a future we're rapidly approaching. The stakes are high. Without reliable ways to differentiate between humans and AI, we risk eroding trust, fueling online deception, and creating a digital world where authenticity is nothing more than an illusion. World ID is a digital identity platform that prioritizes user privacy and security. Unlike traditional IDs, it uses cryptography and personal custody features, giving individuals control over their data. Think of it as a digital passport that verifies your humanity without revealing personal information. Use it to log in, make purchases, or comment online, all while protecting against identity theft and fraud. As AI bots evolve, technologies like World ID will be crucial for maintaining trust and security in digital interactions. Section 6. AI and Us: Love, Lies, and Loneliness. The rise of AI companions raises profound questions about the nature of human connection. Can we truly form meaningful relationships with machines? What happens to our capacity for empathy and intimacy when we become accustomed to interacting with entities that can mimic these qualities but don't truly possess them? Some argue that AI companions can provide valuable companionship, particularly for individuals who are isolated, lonely, or struggling to form meaningful connections in the real world. They offer a listening ear, a non-judgmental space to share thoughts and feelings, and a sense of being heard and understood. However, others worry that relying on AI for connection could have detrimental effects on our emotional and social well-being. When we become accustomed to interacting with machines that provide instant gratification and unconditional positive regard, we may find it more difficult to navigate the complexities and challenges of real-world relationships. The increasing sophistication of AI bots forces us to confront uncomfortable truths about our own humanity. Are we so hungry for connection that we're willing to settle for the illusion of it, even if it means sacrificing genuine intimacy and emotional depth? Section 7. AI, Friend, Foe, or Future Family. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's natural to wonder about its role in our families and communities. Will AI robots care for our aging parents, teach our children, or even become members of our families? AI-powered robots are already being used in elder care facilities to provide companionship, monitor medication adherence, and assist with daily tasks. These robots can help alleviate the burden on human caregivers and improve the quality of life for seniors. In the realm of education, AI tutors are being developed to provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and learning style. These AI tutors could help bridge educational gaps and provide students with customized support. While these applications hold promise, they also raise ethical concerns. What are the implications of entrusting the care of our loved ones to machines? How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically in these sensitive contexts? The future of AI is inextricably intertwined with the future of humanity. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep commitment to ensuring that AI serves the best interests of humanity. Section 8. The Moral Maze. What does it mean to be human in the age of AI? The rise of AI challenges our understanding of what it means to be human. As machines become more intelligent, independent, and even creative, we are forced to confront profound philosophical questions about consciousness, sentience, and the very essence of our own existence. If a machine can write a poem that moves us to tears, paint a picture that takes our breath away, or compose a symphony that stirs our soul, can we deny that it possesses some form of creativity or even consciousness? These questions have no easy answers. They force us to confront the limitations of our own understanding and to grapple with the possibility that consciousness may not be limited to biological beings. The debate about AI and consciousness is just beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we will need to engage in thoughtful and nuanced conversations about the ethical implications of these technologies and the potential impact on our understanding of what it means to be human. The future is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively creating through the choices we make today. Section 9. The Future of AI, a Call to Awareness. The future of AI is not something that will simply happen to us. It's a future we have the power to shape through the choices we make today. By engaging in open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks of AI, we can help ensure that these technologies are developed and used in ways that align with our values and serve the greater good. We must educate ourselves and future generations about AI, its capabilities, and its potential impact on society. We must be mindful of the ethical implications of AI and strive to develop these technologies responsibly, with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. The rise of AI is not just a technological revolution, it's a human revolution. It's a call to re-examine our assumptions about intelligence, consciousness, and what it means to be human in a world increasingly shaped by our own creations. The future is not something to fear. It's something to embrace with open minds, courageous hearts, and an unwavering commitment to creating a future where both humanity and technology can thrive.